up everyone, and today I'm going to be teaching you what you just saw. So a kip, well, it's called a kip, and a kip is where you go from your back to your feet. So here is how you do it. This is how you do it on ground and on trampoline. So you want to sit on the ground / trampoline. If you're on the ground, I recommend starting with a slant hill, so then it will be easier to land at first. Then you can work your way to a little bit less of a hill to ground. So here is how you do it. So you want to go back and just get that leg pop like that. Just push up with your legs. Just try to push up. Just push up. And you also want to get the feeling of going forward right away. So just practice going forward. Just going forward. Do that for a little while. You can pause the video just to practice like just flicking yourself forward. And once you got that down, then you want to, really try to go high with that pop and flick forward. So high with pop and flick forward. You might land it. So then the next step is put your hands behind you. And then when you roll back, you're going to push off with your hands while going straight forward and do it. So you want to push off with your hands like this. You just want to grab onto the ground or trampoline, and when you get about here, you want to push off with your hands. This is what it'll look like. So I'm going to have you get a side view like this. And that is the kit, my friends, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Special thanks to this person. She's the one that filmed the video, and the video wouldn't be possible if it weren't for her. Thank you.